Okay, two more parts to this lesson. Okay, I am going to do this word problem with you, number 4 on page 238. Okay, look what it says. Put your finger on it. Page 238, solve the story problem. Finger there? Okay, look what it says. There are 156 pages in a book. It's good to underline that number, 156 pages. In a book that Kyle must read for a book report. He has 6 days to read the book. How many pages must he read per night to finish on time? Whoa. Okay, don't look up here. We're not going to use this yet. I'm going to use this for the second part. He has 6 days to read 156 pages. Can you guys do that? Sure. You guys are super, super, super intelligent. Okay, so what are we going to do? Are we going to add? Are we going to subtract? Are we going to multiply? Are we going to divide? Well, think about it. If we have 156 pages, we have 6 days to do it. Is it going to make any sense if you add? 156 plus 6 is going to give you a número más grande, and that number is not going to make any sense for your answer. If we multiply, it's going to be a bigger number. That's not going to make any sense for your answer. If we subtract, you're going to get a number smaller, but not much smaller, because 156 minus 6 is not much smaller. And you're not going to be reading 156 minus 6 pages a night. So we only have left to do what? Divide. Now there's an easier way to figure that out, you guys. You can say, well, I have 156 pages and 6 days to do it. That means I am going to make groups of that number. I'm going to make 6 groups. First day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, right? And you have to put that 156 into those groups. So what do you do when you're putting numbers into groups? You add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Divide. So in order to solve that word problem, you need to divide. Now, am I going to give you the answer for that word problem? No. Am I going to do the work for you? No. But I did just tell you that you need to divide. So let's see who pays attention, okay? So now we're going to go down here, you guys, to number 7. I understand that the conversions are hard. These are called conversions. This is number 7, letter A, okay? Put your finger on number 7, letter A, just to make sure you know where we are. I know most of you guys are going to look at those and say, Miss Jessica, I cannot do those. But you can, okay? You can do them, and I'm going to help you. First rule, por favor. We are going to ignore the number 1, 2, 3 down here. We are not going to do it that way because Miss Jessica doesn't like that way. And if you do it my way that I'm going to show you, you're going to use that until you graduate. You are going to be like as smart as a colegio student. So if you do this way, por favor, you are going to understand it eventually. You may not understand it today. Y está bien, but you will understand it. Okay, so here we go. 20 pints minus 3/4 equals quarts. So that means that each of these must be what? Quarts. That's what they want us to have the answer in, quarts. Well, if they want us to have the answer in quarts, we have to change one of these. Which one do we have to change? We have to change one that's in pints, right? Okay, so you're going to cross it out. Pints are gone. You're going to write it down here. 20 pints equals how many quarts? We have to change it into quarts. Remember, if you're confused, watch the video again, watch the video again, watch the video again. If you're still confused, you're going to see it in other lessons. Don't worry. And then you tell me, Miss Jessica, I don't get it, and I will be here to help you, okay? 20 pints into quarts. So what do? Well, you put 20 pints. Line. What do you always put on the bottom? You always put pints. If this is pints, you put pints, okay? Pints on the bottom. Whatever's right here, you put on the bottom. So then whatever is left, you put on the top. Quart. Okay. I'm going to give you a conversion paper just in case you forget, but who can tell me how many pints are in a quart? 2. Oh, geniuses. Genios. Good job. There are 2 pints in 1 quart. Do not tell me that there's 2 quarts in 1 pint. There are not 2 quarts in 1 pint. There are 2 pints in a quart. So you put the 2 down here and the 1 up here. Well, guys, when the 2, the number that is not a 1, is on the bottom, do you divide or do you multiply? you divide. What is 20 divided by 2? 20 divided by 2 is 10. So your answer is 10. So where we cross it out, you're going to put a 10, okay? 10 quarts minus 3 quarts is what? 7 quarts. And there is your answer. You can do this. Okay, and the last thing for today's video, you guys, is part of your homework as well. You need to write your Talas Day 9 2 times. Just this list, but be practicing it. Say it out loud, okay? Don't just write the numbers down one side, up the other side, and be done. No, say it out loud. You need to know your tablas. If you don't know your tablas, division is gonna be sad this year, okay? So here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. Shut the gate again, I guess. I don't know what we're gonna say at the very end of that one, right? You can stop the video and copy it from here. 1 time, 2 times, I don't care. Just say it out loud while you do it. Porfa, one more time. 9, 18, say it with me. Say it with me. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. Good job. We are done with today's lesson. Woohoo, okay? Done with day 1 of math and virtual classes. I'm super proud of you guys. This part right here, your lesson, you can do. Try it, okay? Don't say, oh, Miss Jessica, was a lot of English. I had no idea what was going on. Try it. I know you can do it, okay? Bye. See you tomorrow.